Hello guys, welcome to my channel, and today I'll be showing you guys how to generate different variations of images and poses from a single model. So let's dive by it. So I will be making use of a platform called AI. So just log on to your browser and click on the new tab and let's go. So AI. So this is what we need once you log on to the website. Okay. So we will need to upload an image, but before then, let's sign up real quick. So I'll be signing up with my Gmail, so you can do that with your let's go. So on this platform, while using it, you get to generate images, get to edit and generate images on the website. So let's go real quick. So we'll be needing to upload our reference image. Start with the text box for a couple of this tutorial. You'll be making it of an image. So let's upload that image here real quick. I have my image uploaded. Let's go. So with your image uploaded, you need a prompt. Okay, now this prompt is not the complex one. It's gonna mean simple, basic prompt. A single line of prompt, real easy. You just tell the prompt what you need, exactly what we need, and we need a prompt to give us different poses and gestures for this image. Okay, so it's going to give you different poses for instance. So once you hit the send button, just sit back, relax, and watch this thing go into magic. So you want to bring your mind. So let's see, it's loading. I think it's going to give us 4 variations. You can imagine 4. So you're getting 4 new poses from this one. You get me now? So let's see. Let's see. This thing is real fast. So the first image is out. The second is out. The third is out. Let's see what the fourth one is like. Boom. See that? Now, what this really changes in the design is that it keeps the image for our flyers and design for a particular brand consistent. You see, so we don't just move from one model to the other. Okay, keeps the brand image and models consistent. It helps us keep a consistent flow of design for a client by a brand or working with. So you see, it has other things we can really check out, but let's use this one. It's really going to give us in different field. So this image now, we see it creates an action short mid jump. Let's see what this really does need to look like. Just sit back, relax, man. Sit back, relax. Let it do its thing. Whoa, don't play. Now this is incredible. This is incredible, man. This is incredible. I even know what to say right now. So you see, it's giving us a different body. So imagine if you're making a design for the fitness brand, a fintech, and designing for Tango this Friday. So everything there, it's perfect. So I think I'm doing another one for the corporate head shoes. So let me start prep for that compact to it. So you see, it gives you different emotions, different poses. You can just pick which one that fits into your project, and boom, you'll be creating magic instantly, bruh. You don't need to go back and forth to client on the perfect image. So this thing is a lot. I think we can give edits to the individual result to have here. So let's see what kind of edits. Wow, now it has different layers. Okay, I think it has highlighted the part where you can tweak now. So let's change his white sneakers into a red one, different color. Those red sneakers won't fit in with this background color, but definitely you would have to open background while editing to your editing app when designing a flyer. So we're going to change that sneakers to the red color, and let's see. It is going to give us something here, a stamp and says let's go. In this course. Sword. Here. Boom. So that's a red sneaker there. We have a red sneaker, and I'm keeping this side by side. You can see that they both look realistic. Now this platform, this AI, it keeps things original the way he was. So like we had a reference image, and with all the variations it was everything stays the same. The skin tone, the smile on the guy's face, it's so real, okay? And it's different from, you want to compare it to likes of ChatGPT, generate images, image effects, and ISK. It's different there. It's different. Keeps everything original. And now you can download this images straight into Abyss in high quality. You see, you can download it straight into your Abyss, and it keeps the same aspect ratio. So if you want to start designing on your Photoshop right now, once you place them, you find out that they all have the same aspects ratio from using your effects. It doesn't change anything for the aspect ratio. Everything remains the same. So we're working on a corporate shot right now. Let's see what we can achieve real quick with that. Let's see. I am looking for my UAs with rice. Again, the image I downloaded wasn't a DEG format. Yes. So we're looking for only the let's see it is on ins. Nah, that's all knows. 0 for 6 for no. No, but hold on, since I've been like already. That's good. So you can get your images from Pinterest. Of course, I got this one from Pinterest. Okay. So even if your client sends you to add image, you can just copy them at the top. So let's see with that same prompts. Let's see what we need. Let's see. This thing takes you, like, it takes a lot of stress. It puts you on speed, like speed mode. You're working very fast. You're turning out designs for the client very fast. You never have to go through the stress of getting the perfect image from the client. Definitely, clients, the most times don't have perfect image. They're just saying anymore they have. So with this now, come up with different variations, okay? And we just do your thing and deliver, and you end up while your clients, you get, you see, what do we have here? We have different poses, same look, same skin tone. The weed from the original image is the same weed. The dress, the jewelry, the makeup, everything stays the same. It doesn't mess with the quality of the image. This is something. It blows light, it blows your mind. This is coming for ChatGPT. It's changing everything you know about image generation. And for this particular image, it's really not looking at your, it pulls from my head and the pointing up. So let's change something here. It gives you the flexibility to change tweak the outcome of the image. You don't have to get stuck with whatever this thing is giving you. Unlike image effects, where if you want to change something, you put in another prompt, the entire image changes. Like, you just get frustrated. But with this, once you get your reference image, you're good to go. The extra work easy, man. So let's see what we're about to get from this now. Just paper and sunburn and wafer, keep it stem. It's loading and it's ready. Cool down. It's so cool. Let's wait. So if you love the results from this image, if you love what get value, do well to hit that subscribe button, like, share to your friends, to people who would love this, that into design, and invite them to come subscribe to my channel, because I give out value every week. So you see, we have a more natural look here, and with this now we can go ahead to design with it, put it in our flyer, in our design, and everything comes out perfect. So hit that subscribe button, like, drop a comment. What other video would you love me to make? What other value or would you love to learn? Let's hear them in the comment section. Thank you and see you in my next video. Bye.